My name is Valeria Torres, and I am the president of Ballet Folklorico de Ramona. We are a club on campus with the goal of celebrating the beautiful Mexican culture and its traditions. Our 30 members have been working hard and putting in the time to create this educational and fun presentation and performance with you all. We are excited to be here. Our presentation today is a showcase of different regions and states of Mexico, with history and information about it, followed by a 1-minute choreography to give you insight on the type of music and dance style of that region/state. We all hope you enjoy and learn today. Don't fall asleep, and this is Ballet Folklorico de Ramona Convent.